Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to learn how to design wall grids in MkaPEB. So let's get started. Let's open a project. File menu, Open Project command, and I'm going to Purlin's model. I click Open. Our model is loading. Our model is loaded. To design the wall grids, you need to click Secondary Members tab. Then of course you need to click Wall Grid button. In this menu, first of all, you need to select the reference axis. We have three axes in this model. The first one is axis A, and the second one is axis B, and of course the last one is axis C. You can select these reference axes here. I'm going to select axis A first. If you want, you can make all have same properties in wall grids. To do this, you need to click here. And you can change all properties here. Subbar type is disabled in wall grids because in MkaPEB the program assumes that the wall panels fixed to the ground, so wall grids have no carry dead loads of the panels. You can change the beam type, single or continuous span. You can change the section here. Different to the roof beams, different to the roof purlins, you can change the beam count. You can increase or decrease the beam count. Program will automatically calculate distance. Program will automatically calculate the distance between the wall grids. Let's change all. I click change button and change button again. You can also use cold formed sections for wall grids. In this case, I'm going to use hot rolled section. You need to check both reference axes to sure all sections are sufficient. In our case, our section is not economical. Let's reduce it. You can define separately these sections, of course, and check all have same properties for a better design. See you next lesson.